just motoring into La Paz. I actually don't have anything to say, so not sure why I started this talk to camera.
La Paz! Manage this. So we're just leaving La Paz, but the port is closed officially, which means you cannot leave La Paz, which sucks. So we're trying to get out. We just called the port captain on radio. In very broken Spanish explained that we would like to leave, and I think he gave us permission. We're going for it, and we'll see if any fucking boats chase us down, but I think we should be right. It's New Year's Day, so they're probably all hungover. So I think I may have COVID. I've been sick for almost 3 days now, and pretty mild, luckily. Oh god, that tickled so much. Double whammy as well.
Saxon has officially lost the plot. Someone sent help. Saxon has made it his mission to see how many flies he can get into a cup.
Look at this fucking joker.
He's out one, but he's working on 2.
There's 3 flies right here. They all want to get in.
What's the plan though? Shit.
Do we have a bridge?
Oh no, we got a bridge. 3, I repeat. 1 fly is gone 3. Plus both flies. We've just fucked it all up.
Right.
Day number 7 of stuck on the boat with COVID. Today we're seeing how many flies we can get on this fly trap, and it's going really well. We're sailing back to La Paz to get some permits for Espiritu, get some groceries and some fuel and water. And then we're going to mosey north. We've just purchased this new state-of-the-art high-tech whisker pole. Just trying it out. It's working really well.
You got a boat hook? You got a whiskey pole?
A bit further out, please.
Alright. What's happening?
Daniel Armando rides a motorbike and he's delivering us McDonald's! I can't believe it.
It's been so long.
I can't believe it's happening to us.
Big Macs and chippies.
Hells yeah, hells yeah, hells yeah, hells yeah. You know, when I woke up this morning, I never would have guessed I'd be finishing the day with a Big Mac. Not my wildest dreams. Amazing. Ding!
Well, I'm gonna go fill up our water because we're running low. Maybe a slow trip. There's so much Alright, so I'm back at the boat. We have a pump inside that runs through 2 filters and a UV light to sterilize the water and make sure it's nice and tasty. That's probably 90 litres of water, so just have to do this 4 more times and we'll have enough water for the next 3 or 4 weeks.